Tennis champion Serena Williams' venture fund raising its first outside capital. Serena Ventures raising $111 million this after 9 years of investing in pre-seed and Series A rounds. The firm has backed 13 unicorns and already had 6 exits. Investments include CoinTracker, Masterclass, Tonal, and Daily Harvest. Joining us right now in an exclusive interview is Serena Williams, Serena Ventures founding and managing partner. Also, Allison Stillman's here, Serena Ventures general partner. Good morning to both of you. We'll talk crypto in just a moment, but wanted to first congratulate you on this new deal. Obviously, there's a lot of other news going on in the world, but in your world, this is a very big deal. What kind of investments are you looking to make, Serena?
Yeah, there is a lot of things going on in the world right now. And so quite frankly, the reason I started Serena Ventures is because I feel like, the venture capital ecosystem really needs, an inclusive player and a player with a platform, to make the necessary intact change at scale. And so we have that opportunity here. So we're looking at fintech. We're looking at marketplaces as well and femtech, and I like to use my brand and Serena to reach that need and to fill that void that the market has.
Allison, when you put this fund together and you start to think of the kinds of things you're looking to buy, and also the impact that you think you can have on a company and a deal in a way that perhaps other investors can't.
Yeah, for us, it's a lot about how can we leverage the brand that Serena has built over the last 20 years, the networks that we have to make 1 + 1 = 4 for these companies. So it's connections to companies that Serena has been partners with for 20+ years. It's our talent networks, which are going to inherently look different than most other venture capitalists, since our team is mostly women. We come from non-traditional backgrounds, really refreshing what it means to be in venture and to be a partner to these firms.
Hey, Serena, what do you think of the marketplace right now? We were talking about crypto earlier, partially because, I don't know if you've been watching, but in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's made a huge move. In part, it appears as a function of what's happening in Ukraine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not surprising to see that happening because it's a way for investment. It's investment in the future, and it feels a little bit more safe right now with everything that's going on in the market. So to have something in the cryptocurrency space, and it just seems like a safer bet right now. So definitely not surprising for us to see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency just kind of leaping up and doing well.
And but let's discuss crypto, because you were early with crypto. You and your husband together. Yeah.
You know what? I saw the market a little bit earlier in crypto. And for me, it was really just about, you have to really think outside the box when you're into VC, and especially in things that we invest in terms of like technology and things of that nature. So seeing some of that, I wanted to kind of dig my feet in a little bit. I didn't dig it in as much as I, looking in the past would have wanted to now, but it was good. So for us, we have a good kind of lead into going into that journey of cryptocurrency, as well as Web3 is what a lot of people are saying now and using, and how we want to try to get into that space over at Serena Ventures.
By the way, and I didn't ask this to you before, do you invest at all with your husband? We should say your husband's Alexis Ohanian, who's been on our broadcast a whole bunch of times.
Yes. It's so interesting. When we met, one of our first conversations was investing, because I've been investing for over 9 years now. And we try to keep business separate. Obviously there are things that come up where we talk about business at home, but we try to keep our businesses as separate as they can be. But it's always great to have someone like Alexis Ohanian in your house, and when you do have any question, to kind of just bounce any ideas off of him.